I have already recorded a video to fix the missing GIF or GIF option on Instagram, in which I advised people to update their Instagram app for getting this GIF option back, but the thing happening was totally opposite. When the people updated their Instagram app, they lost the ability to post GIFs. It means Instagram has removed the ability to post GIFs on the Instagram app in their latest update. And the story is there was some guy who posted some kind of racist GIF and the Instagram completely removed the ability to post GIFs on the platform. So today I bring you a latest method for posting the GIFs and it will work 100%. So what you have to do is you have to first of all open Google Chrome or Safari or any of the browser that you use. And after that you have to go to Google and type in here Instagram old version APK and hit the search button. Now some websites will appear up which include the old versions of Instagram. So you can open any of the website. Let's open this website which is at the top of the search results. As you can see, this website contains the older versions of Instagram. And you can also see the dates on which that update was posted, and you can also see the Android version related to it. You can just go for any of the old version of Instagram app. Let's go with this update which was released on February 28. And after that, just press this download button. This mod will be downloaded into your files. You have to install that app and you will again have the capability to post GIFs. Now I cannot explain the whole process of downloading and installing the app because I am on iPhone and I don't have any working solution for iPhones yet, because as you know, you can't install APKs in iPhone. But for Android, you can just download this APK, install it and start posting GIFs again. As soon as I find any solution for iPhones, I will post a tutorial on that and I will pin that video in the comment of this video. Hope it works. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.